Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Syaifullah bin Ramli from Group PERAK 1B. Okay, today I would like to present about the maintenance project planning from top 4. Okay, for maintenance project planning have two point. So point 1 is reason. Reason have a loss of function, lowering risk, reactive, out of tolerant condition, preventive and predictive. For number 2, typical activities involved. So repair. In repair, flow excavation with and without build up well, fill up well, patch plate, but well, insert plate, internal lining, cladding and painting. Replacement point have equipment and internal part. For media change out, resin, filter, absorbent, catalyst. For point CF renewal, cleaning, have a heat exchange, internal, external cleaning, pressure difference and drop, reduce efficiency.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Abdullah. Okay, we go to the maintenance project consideration. In the maintenance project consideration, scope and boundary, HSE consideration, quality consideration, project initiation, pre-execution, execution and post-execution, and project closure. Next is scope and boundary. One is the objective to identify scope covered by project for contracting purpose, to identify scope not covered by project, to clarify with others emergent situation, to identify required personnel, preliminary window proposal, preliminary identification of hazard, preliminary identification of quality requirement, cost estimation, responsibility of one person, the owner or representative of project. Never make unsupported assumption and record all critical information and communication.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Mohammad Nasrullah from project 1B. Okay, with me I going to share with you about our project initiation and our project execution. For the first one, purpose of project initiation, purpose task. The main point of this point is check on management of change, MOC, and maintenance record, and check on improve possibility and site verification, contract and for the next one is project execution. For the first one, pre-execution, site visit, training requirement for personal, equipment inspection and material kit. And for the second one is execution, site execution for supervision, meeting, communication, propose monitoring including possibility of verification order.
Project execution, pre-execution, site visit and verification, training requirement for personnel required by authority or company, and then include equipment inspection and material kitting. For execution, site execution and supervision. Must remember, do not leave anything to contractor, and it will include the permit handling, meeting and communication, handover meeting, management meeting, integration meeting and progress meeting. Progress monitoring, including possibility of variation order, work control sheet, pre-startup safety review, punch list, closure. And then for the post-execution, commissioning support and standby, punch list closure, housekeeping, and then for the warranty. For project closure, close out report, MOC closure, lesson learned, and the last thing is payment. Thank you.